just we have a small recap of it. Okay. So in the last science class, we saw 5 sense organs, right? Yes or no? So what are the sense organs?
Eyes, ears, skin, mouth, tongue, and skin.
Yes, these are the sense organs. Yes, you all are right.
Ear,
Hmm.
nose,
Hmm.
skin,
Hmm.
tongue.
Very good, very good. So all of you said correct answer. Very good. So
Ears, nose, tongue,
okay.
skin.
Okay. So why do we call these organs as a sense organs? Why do we call it as a sense organs? Yes. Why do we call it as?
For organs we use.
Yes, it responds to us. Okay. If I touch your finger, you can. If I touch your skin, means you can feel it. If I touch your nose, you can feel it. You can smell it. You can taste it. You can see it. So these are the organs are called. These organs are called sense organs because it responds and it can feel. Yes. Okay. Okay. So you all are clear with the 5 sense organs. So on the last class, I gave you one question as a homework. What was the question?
I can't hear you.
Baby has how many bones? Ma'am, I found
Ma'am,
it.
I can't hear you.
I found it.
Who cannot hear me?
Baby has about 305 bones.
I'm 306 bones.
Your voice.
306 bones.
Very good, very good.
306 bones and newborn baby.
A
Newborn baby has 306 bones. 306 bones.
Okay, okay, okay.
306 bones.
Yes.
Okay. So for adult, what? How many bones do adult have?
200.
210. 206. So for adult, there are 6 bones, and for for your newborn baby, there will be 300 or more. Okay. So are you clear, everyone? Everyone has done the homework. Very good. Superb. So I will give you another homework. Okay, today also I will give you another question as a homework. You should just think it, find it out, and tell me on the next session. Okay. So now we'll see human system. Okay, human body. So human body system. The first we will see the skeletal system. Okay, the skeletal system is the bones that is covered. Okay. So in our body there are different organs like heart. Yes, heart, lung, stomach. So there are many organs in our body. So these organs are covered by the bones, so skeletal system. Okay, these organs are covered by the skeletal system in order to protect them. Okay, in order to protect them. So this is the work of the skeletal system that protects all the internal organs in our body which we cannot see by eyes, but we can feel it. You all keep your hand in your chest, in the left side of your chest. Can you see? Can you feel your heartbeat? Yes. All of you keep your hand on your left chest, near your left chest. Can everyone can feel the heartbeat? Yes. What is the sound of the heartbeat? What sound you hear? Love the sound you hear, right? So all these organs are protected by our skeletal system. So in human, you cannot hear. Without heartbeat, we cannot live, man. Who cannot hear?
I cannot hear, ma'am.
Why? Keep your hand near your heart. You can feel
Ma'am,
it.
I
Your
cannot
heart.
hear, ma'am.
Bhupen, keep properly, and if you keep properly, just concentrate there. Okay, you should not look here and there. You should not listen any other sound. If you keep your hand in your heart and close your eyes and listen, means you can feel that sound. Now can you feel?
No, ma'am.
No, now also no.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Super. So thank you, ma'am. Jeron's on. Naughty boy. So just sit in a place. Okay. You can keep your hand and you can feel. Everyone can feel heartbeat. Without heartbeat, we cannot live. Okay. So everyone is
Line
having
leave
heart.
one,
So
ma'am.
everyone can
Line
feel,
leave
everyone
one,
can
ma'am.
listen. Yes? Anyone said something?
Ma'am, I can feel, ma'am.
Thiruvalluvar can feel. Very good.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
cannot feel, ma'am.
Bhupen, bye Bhupen. First
See,
you
ma'am.
switch on your video. First you
Ma'am,
switch
I
on your
can
video.
feel, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Ashram
can
Khan.
feel.
Very good, very good, very good.
Ma'am, I can feel.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, okay, listen. Only Bhupen cannot feel, so you have to keep properly and listen. Okay. Okay. So in our body there are different.
Ma'am,
We
my
have.
last.
Okay, okay. Now listen. Now stop that and listen to what I say. Okay. Okay. So we have 206 bones for elder person, and for newborn baby there are 300 and above bones. Okay. So these bone, what is the function of the skeletal system? They protect all the internal organs in our body. So all of you clear about that? Yes. What does the skeletal system do? What does the skeleton system do? Yes. Uh, protect internal organs. Okay, it protects all the internal organs. We have heart, lungs, stomach, kidney, and all is there. No, so it protects all the internal organs. So next, what we are going to see, this we have saw in the last class. So next, what we are going to see is muscular system. What is the next system? What is the next? What is the next system? Yes, muscular system. So what is this muscular system? What is the muscular system? Anyone? Okay, before that, we will just do one activity, okay? All of you stretch your hand. Come on, all of you stretch your hand. Stretch your hand. Stretch your hand. Yes? Now just turn like this and do like this. Yes, do like this. Can you see something bulge, something big here? Yes, can you see? Yes?
Ma'am, that is arm, ma'am.
Yes. Touch your arm and feel. Can you see something soft? Yes?
Yes, ma'am, that is called
Muscles.
muscle.
Very good. They are the muscles. So in our body, we can see in our bones also there are various muscles. Okay. So in our body, we have 300 muscles. Okay. All these muscles together make a muscular system. So how these muscles are connected to the bone by tendons. Okay. So these muscles are connected to the bone through tendons. So what these muscles will do? This will help us to run. So when we do some exercise, when we do exercise with our hand, we can see this muscles here. When we relax, we cannot see, but when we do like this, we can see the bulge here. So that are the muscles. Okay. So in legs also we have muscles. Can you touch your leg and feel? Can you see touch your leg and feel? There are muscles in your leg. Yes. Come on, all of you touch and feel. When you touch your leg, you can see the muscle present
ma'am.
between
Yes,
your legs.
ma'am.
Yes, very good. So when you touch your finger here, you feel muscle or a bone. When you touch here, you feel muscle or bone.
Bone, ma'am.
Bone. Yes. So you can find the difference between what is muscle and what is bone, right? Yes. The bones are very soft, very hard, and the muscles are very soft. Yes. All of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Thiruvalluvar talking in Tamil. Listen, Thiruvalluvar. Okay. So the bones are very hard and the muscles are very soft. So all the muscles together make us the muscular system. So in our body we have how many muscles? How many muscles we have?
300.
How many muscles?
300. Yes, yes. 300.
600.
Like that, it's a
Yes, Takshana. Sorry, I said it has 300, but in our body we have 600 muscles. Okay, sorry. So how many muscles we have in our body?
600.
So what these muscles will do? What these muscles will do? Yes, Thiruvalluvar.
For a baby.
That is a question. Wait, I will ask you. That is a question I will ask you. Okay, now tell me how many muscles we have in our body?
600.
Very good.
300.
Okay, how 600. So how these muscles are connected to the bones? How these muscles are connected to the bones?
Joined.
How they are joined? They are joined by tendons. Okay, they are joined by tendons. Okay, so I'll just show you a small video about this muscular system. Okay, are you ready to see?
Okay, ma'am.
Before
Yes,
that, I'll show you.
ma'am.
Before that, I'll show you an image. All of you look here. So what is this? What is this? Yes, yes, skeletal system. So, okay, you can all see that bones and all. Am I right? Yes. Yes. Our teeth also comes under skeletal system or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Do our teeth comes under skeletal system? Yes, our teeth also comes under skeletal system. Okay. So these are the bones we can see. See, these are the bones we have in our leg, but our leg bones are very longer bones. Okay, which bones are very long? Our leg bone. Okay, the bones in our leg are very long. Okay, in our body. Takshana, don't scribble, Takshana. Takshana, please don't scribble. Okay, so in our leg, in our body, the longest bone is our leg. Okay, our leg bones are very long, and our toe. See our toe. Can you see the bones are shorter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Yes. In our leg, you can see long bone, and in our toe, we see the short bones.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the muscular system. So what this muscular system will do, this also helps us in pumping blood. Only heart pumps blood, right? So this muscular system also helps in pumping blood. And what this muscular system will do, it helps us to lift objects. Okay, when you are having something very heavy, when you take it with hand, it helps you to pull that heavy object. Okay. Yes, so these are the muscular system. So look here in the picture. Can you see this side, left side? Jaron, who is that? Who's talking? Left side you can see Jesu. The left side you can see the skeletal system, and the right side you can see the muscular system. So all the muscles are connected to the bones through tendons. So in legs, can you see here these muscles are connected to through tendons. Are you clear, everyone? Yes. So when we do like this, we can see the muscles in our arms. We can see the muscles in our arms. In our legs also we have various muscles. Yes. Yes. Everyone clear? Anyone is having doubts here? Till here, anyone is having any doubt?
ma'am.
Alright, so tell me how many muscles we have in our body? How many muscles we have?
600. 600. 600. 600.
Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, I'll just show you a small video for you. All of you mute yourself. Come on, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay. Look at the video. In the middle, I will be asking you a question. So all of you look the video carefully. Okay.
All the muscles of our body together make the muscular system. All our bones are covered with muscles. These muscles are then covered by the skin. A muscle works by contracting its length and by relaxing back to its full length. For this, it needs the strong support of bones. A muscle is attached to a bone with the help of a tendon. Let us perform an activity to feel the presence of muscles in our body. Keep one of your arms relaxed and hold the upper arm by the other hand. when the forearm is raised upwards and bent at the elbow, you will feel a bulge in the upper arm. This is due to muscle biceps attached to the bones of the upper arm and the forearm. Observe and feel the thickening of the muscles when the forearm is bent. Now pull the arm downwards. You will feel the thickening of the muscles at the back of the arm. This is due to triceps muscles. Muscles not only move various parts of the body, but they also cause the heartbeat and move the food down the alimentary canal. There are three types of muscles. Muscles which work according to our will are called voluntary muscles. For example, muscles of our hands and legs. Muscles which do not work
So
according to our will
there
are
are two
called
types of
involuntary
muscles in our
muscles.
body, right? What are the two types of muscles in our body? Yes, what are the two types? Can anyone tell me? What are the two types? Sorry, I have muted you all. 1 second. Okay. Now tell me, what are the two types of muscles in our body? What are the two types? Yes.
Ma'am.
Voluntary muscles and involuntary
Voluntary
muscles.
and quality muscle.
Hey, it's not voluntary. It is voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. Voluntary muscles means with the exercise and all we do know that are voluntary muscles, and involuntary muscles is it is the muscles that performs the action automatically. Okay, that is involuntary muscles. Again, all of you look from here. Muscles that works on the basis of our deeds are called voluntary muscles, and muscles that performs their work automatically are called involuntary muscles. Okay, so all of you look here.
Muscles which work according to our will are called voluntary muscles. For example, muscles of our hands and legs. Muscles which do not work according to our will are called involuntary muscles. For example, muscles present in the heart and other blood vessels of our body. Muscles present in the heart are of special kind and are called cardiac muscles. To keep our bones and muscles fit and healthy, we must play games, do regular exercise, and take proper food. A proper posture while standing, sitting, and
So
walking
did you all
is
saw the
also
video?
essential for the proper growth
Yes.
and
Yes. So what
Yes,
are the
ma'am.
two types of muscles? What are the two types of muscles present in our body?
Voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles.
Very good, Roy. Voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. What do this
Thank
voluntary
you, ma'am.
muscle will do? This voluntary muscle will be done by us. What are the actions we do? Okay, when we stretch our hand, when we walk, so these are called voluntary muscles. For example, for voluntary muscles is our hand and leg. Our hand and leg. Next is involuntary muscle. What this involuntary muscle will do? This muscle will do the work by itself. It do not depends on our own, but it do its work by its own. Okay. For example, muscles in the heart and as well as stomach and various organs in our body. Are you clear, everyone? Yes.
Yeah.
Till here, anyone is having
Yes,
any
ma'am.
doubt? Anyone
No,
is having
ma'am.
any doubt? No doubt, right? Okay. So what is your homework is you have to find two questions. Okay. What is the first question is in child, okay, in newborn baby, how many muscles do newborn baby have? Okay. How many muscles do newborn baby have? Yes? Anyone say something? You have to find it and tell me. No answers now. No answers now. You should find it and tell me in the next session. Okay. How many muscles do newborn baby have? And next question is, do our brain have muscles? Do our brain have muscles? Okay. Two questions. You have to find it out and tell me tomorrow. on the next class. Okay? Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Tiruvalluvar, did you
Okay,
understand the
ma'am.
question?
Okay, ma'am.
Tiruvalluvar, Tiruvalluvar. Did you understand Tiruvalluvar? Okay. Okay, very good. A small game. Okay, ready? Shall we play a game?
No.
No. No.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
You want to
ma'am.
play a game?
No.
All of you switch on your video. Bhupen, only Bhupen is having somewhat question. All of you switch on your video. Yes.
OBS போட்டிருக்கீங்களா? one worksheet no ma'am.
What worksheet I
அப்பா
said?
OBS போட்டிருக்கீங்களா நீங்க? Science worksheet.
Yes. Did you complete it?
Yes, ma'am.
No. No, you have not completed.
இப்போ science we do one worksheet ma'am.
Jocelyn Nandini, you are sitting in a proper network no show. Jocelyn Nandini. Tiruvalluvar. What Tiruvalluvar?
Ma'am, the class we want to do one worksheet.
In class, what worksheet we did? I gave worksheet as a
Ma'am, I
homework.
can't hear you. Your voice break and coming.
Now is my voice audible? Now?
Ma'am, in square. Tell me the homework, ma'am. For me, your voice is hearing, ma'am.
Okay. That activity, Tiruvalluvar, that one square paper I said you to do. No, that you are talking. Everyone has completed Tiruvalluvar. Everyone completed. See, Richard also completed. He showed me. Yes, yesterday. Yesterday he was absent. We all did that.
Started, I showed to ma'am.
Yes, everyone. Yesterday we did the activity. Only you was absent. Why was you absent yesterday?
Yesterday, go to the tour, ma'am.
Very nice. Then, okay, I have sent it in WhatsApp. No, you just do it at your home. Okay, you try it at your home.
My mother also not come. Daddy.
Okay. Next class I will tell you how to do. Okay, Tiruvalluvar? Okay. Shall we play a small game? Yes. Yes. Listen. I will tell one color. Okay, I will tell you.
Your voice is breaking coming from here.
For me, for you also. Okay. Listen.
Little bit is breaking or coming.
Oh, sorry. Here there is no proper
I
signal.
can't hear you.
So here there is no proper signal. I think so. Okay.
I don't know what are you saying.
Hey, now can you hear me? Yes. Yes, Richard.
Now I can hear you a little bit. Okay.
Okay. Very good. Okay, now I'll tell you one color. Okay, you just go and bring that color and show me. Okay, I'll just anything. I'll tell one color. You should go get that color and come and show me. Okay, anything related to that color. Okay, ready? I want yellow color.
Ma'am, yeah, this one yellow box.
Yellow color. Go and get fast.
Ma'am, I
Very
get
good.
an all ready here.
Eric brought. Jocelyn Nandini.
Ma'am, I found my yellow box.
Uday Karthik, Tiruvalluvar, Rose, Mohammed, Mahabab. Very good.
I have bring my yellow box.
Srinivasan, very good.
Yellow color.
Tiruvalluvar, Richard, very good. Alvin, very good. Double Siona. Akil, very good. Very good. Okay. Jaron John, very good. Shall I tell the next color? Next color. Okay. Blue color. Go and get something related to blue color. Go fast.
Ma'am, my shirt is a blue color.
Blue color.
Ma'am, my shirt is a blue color.
Very good, Alvin. Very good, Jaron John.
Ma'am, I take the blue color.
Very good.
It's a blue color.
Hey,
Ma'am, I
very good.
blue color.
Very good. So those who have done very good. Next, go and get green color. Anything related to green color. Go fast and get. Go. Very good. Uday Karthik, very good. Very good, Jaron John. Alvin God. Fiona, very nice. The doll is very nice.
Ma'am, green color.
Very good.
Very good.
Ma'am, green color.
The next is, now sit in your place. Now sit in your place. All of you sit in your place. Come back to your place. And show me that is in black color. Black color.
Ma'am, black color mouse. Ma'am, black color mouse.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very
Ma'am,
good.
black color mouse.
Very good.
Black color mouse.
Okay, all of you showed me. Okay, very good. Very good. Very good. Now next is red color. Red color. Go and get red color.
Ma'am, red color. Ma'am, red color.
Okay.
Red color.
Good, Roy. Very good. Mohammed Mahabub, Arif, Denison, Alvin, Priscilla, Siona. Very good.
Ma'am, red color.
Francis, you are showing that red color dot in your mouse. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Richard, very good. Very good, Tiruvalluvar. Very good. Okay. Very good, Srivasan. Shall I tell the next color? White color. White color. White.
This Moody.
Very good. Moody. Who said?
Ma'am,
White. Very good. Very good.
color.
Very good.
Color.
Very good. Yes, Tiruvalluvar.
Book cover.
Okay. See, Priscilla is having thermometer in our hand. Priscilla, show that. Show the thermometer. See, she's having thermometer. This is called thermometer. You all know, no? Yes. That is used to check the fever or not. Okay. Next, bring any color that is brown. Brown. Insert, what is that? Very good. Very good. What is your note? Very good. Very good. Very good. Abdul Musawir, very good. Okay, Tiruvalluvar, I can see. Don't speak. Very good. Very good. Super. All of you come back to your place. Come back to your place. Sit. Very good, Danny. Very good. Very good. All of you come back to your place now. Come back. Yes, come back. Next color we'll do in the next class. Okay. Small recap. I will ask you the question. You just tell me the answer. Okay.
Yes.
What's Tiruvalluvar? Why are you speaking? Next color we will see in the next class. Now I will ask you a question. You tell me the answer. Okay. Okay. How many bones do we have in human? In adult, how many bones do we have?
106.
In you? $206 bones. Okay. In newborn baby, we have 300 and above bones. Okay. How many muscles do we have in human? Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, what with the help? Okay, with the help of muscle, what we can do? With the help of muscle, what we can do? Yes, we can lift the heavy things. Yes, we can lift the heavy things. Okay. The muscles are attached to the bones or attached to the blood? Attached to the bones or attached? Yes, the muscles are attached to the bones. And the muscles are covered by the skin or covered by water? Skin. Very good. Very good, children. Very good. Okay. So, um, you all in this class we saw about skeletal system and muscular system. Okay, so I have given you 2 questions as a homework. You have to find it out whether how many muscles do a child, a newborn baby have, as well as how many we have muscles in our brain or not. That also you should find it and tell me. And I will send you the worksheet in WhatsApp group that you complete. Okay. Okay. I'll send you the worksheet in the WhatsApp group. You complete that, and we'll see in the next class. Okay. Thank you, children.
UT portion.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
UT portion, I will send it in the WhatsApp. Okay. Tomorrow you will be happy. Tomorrow you will be happy. Okay. That I will send it in the WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.